Everyone, welcome to our video. Okay, so for today, we're going to talk about your sets. Let's start off with your definition. It says there that it is used to indicate a gathering or collection of objects. Example, the set of the colors of the rainbow, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay, so anything that you can collect can be under your set. And it says there, how are you going to list it? All you have to do is to list your elements. Okay, separate your elements by your comma, and then enclose your set using braces. Okay, these are called your braces. Order is irrelevant. Therefore, as you can see, kahit na mas nauna ang 76, even if 74 is lower than 76, it's okay. Because the order is irrelevant. And you should always list your distinct object. So there will be no repetition of objects or elements inside your set. Next. So, Venn diagrams. I know that you are familiar with this. So, it says there it is created by John Venn in the year 1880. And there are circles to show the commonalities and then the differences between the two sets. So, in here, how many sets do we have? We have 3 sets. Set of bank robbers, DJs, and then your preachers. So, it says there, Venn diagram will show you the commonalities. And where is that? It is actually here. Okay, which is your intersection of the circles. So, put your hands up, tsaka yung are you with me, are both parang said by DJs and then preachers. Whereas, for bank robbers, okay, and preachers, they have the same common things as put your hands up and give me your money. Yan. Next. But not all, not all. This is just an example. Okay, next we have your universal set. So it says there that it is the set of all of the elements under a certain set, and it is denoted by your capital letter U. So in here, so that is your example. So set A contains the elements 1, 2, 5, 6. Set B contains the elements 3 and then 9. And you have your universal set. You try to draw the Venn diagram of that. How are you going to do it? First, you start with your subsets. Okay, these are your subsets. Set A and then set B. And then, you try to check what are the elements that are common between those two. Since wala, therefore, this particular set is like this, goes like this. Okay? So, as you can see here, the sets, okay, were not actually overlapping. It is called your disjoint set. Kasi there are no common elements. Pero kapag may common sila, that's the time that they will overlap. Alright? So as you can see here, 1, 2, 5, 6 belongs to set A, whereas 3 and 9 belongs to set B. Okay? Now, you check your whole universal set. The whole plane is your whole universal set. What are the elements that are missing, which does not belong to set A and then set B? It will be placed outside, anywhere outside your rectangle. Alright? Next. So, for example, this one. Universal set, we have your whole numbers less than 10. Okay? Set J contains the elements multiples of 3 less than 10. And then set D contains the elements even numbers less than 10. You need to draw the Venn diagram of that. Okay? So, let's try to draw. So, this is slide number 7 of 18. Okay, so your universal set, the set of whole numbers less than 10. What are whole numbers? These are numbers that are exact. Okay, so 0 is a whole number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. We'll stop at 9 because it says there whole numbers less than 10. Okay, next, let's have your set J. It says there set J contains the elements multiples of 3 less than 9. Therefore, the numbers that are divisible by 3, okay, that is less than 9. It is 3, 6, and then 9. Okay, that's set J. How about set D? So for set D, it says there, even numbers less than 10. So for even numbers less than 10, what's the answer here? What are even numbers? It is divisible by 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. We'll stop at 8 kasi nga, it is less than 10, sabi. Alright, so those are your sets. Universal set, 0 to 9. Set J, 3, 6, 9. Set D, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. Alright, how are you going to draw the Venn diagram of this particular sets? So let's have, masyado kong nilakihan yung drawcon ko. Okay, so all you have to do is to identify how many subsets are there. So in here, how many? We have 2, J and then D. Right? Always start with your rectangular plane. Your rectangular plane is your universal set. And then you have 2 subsets. Namely, always name your sets as J and then D. Okay, you start with the common element. Kanina disjoint kasi nga wala silang common element. In here, there's a common element which is 6. So let's write 6 here and complete your set J. Set J, we have 3, 6, and then 9. 6 is already here. No repetition of elements. Okay? Next, we have your 2, 4, 6 is there, and then 8. Next, are we done? Not yet. You always compare it to your universal set. Okay, so what are the elements except 2, 4, 8, 6, 3, 9 that are found on your universal set? We have 0 anywhere outside. We have 1, 2 is here, 3, 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there, this is the Venn diagram of your problem on your 7th slide. 7. Okay. Okay, next problem. It's here. So, counting numbers less than 14. When we say counting numbers, it starts with 1. Kasi diba, if they says count off, you always start with 1. Alright? So, we have counting numbers less than 14 is your universal set. Let's write it. Okay, so this is slide number 8 of 17. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, we'll start with 13 kasi it's less than 14. Next, we have your prime numbers. What are prime numbers? These are numbers which are only divisible by 1 and itself. There are no other factors aside from 1 and itself. Okay, so the prime numbers we have that is less than 14. We start with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and then 13. So those are your prime numbers less than 14. And then Q, what is Q? Even prime numbers. So if you try to search your Google, the only even prime number that we have is 2. Okay, so how are you going to do your Venn diagram? Again, you always start with your universal plane, which is yan, your U. And then how many subsets are there? We have 2. Namely, we have P and then Q here. Their common element is 2. Okay. Next, try to fill out your P. It's 3, 5, 7, 11, and then 13. Always separate your elements using your comma. And what are the elements which does not belong to set B and then set Q, which are found on your universal set, will be placed outside. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have your 10, okay, 11, and then 12. So this is the answer for that particular problem. All right. Okay, next concept, we have your subsets. That is the symbol. We have your proper and then improper. Okay, so it says there is a set of elements that is also in another set. Okay, so this is just a subset of your universal set. Ayan. Next, set operations tayo. So, I'm just going to focus on 4 major operations. We have your union, intersection, complement, and then your difference. Let's start with your A union B. So, these are the shaded portions where you will get your A union B. Okay? So, let's have an example. So, kunyari, example. So, for, let's say this is set A and then set B. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. For example, this is your set. Now, if you will try to apply your first operation, which is A union B, so union, para lang din siyang universal set, but you will know that it is an operation because it has sets A and then sets B and other sets there. Okay, so what are the elements under A union B? Always combine. Just combine. Kapag union, you're going to unite. So combine the elements in set A and then set B. So the answer would be what? 1, 2, 0, 5. Okay? So no repetition of element. Yan. So that is your A union B. Next. Let's have your A intersection B. So for intersection, kanina union is pag ganon. Intersection is just the inverse. It is found in this region where the 2 circles overlap. Okay, so for number 2, let's have A intersection B. Using the same given, what is the intersection of A and B? We have 0. Ma'am, what if merong isang number dito? So for example, 3. The answer is 0 and then 3. Yan. Ganon. Okay? But on our example, wala naman. So, let's remove para consistent. So, pwedeng maraming numbers dito ha, not only 1. Okay? So, there. A intersection B, we have 0. Next, number 3. It's the next operation would be your complement. So, when we say complement, this is your not. Okay, so in our example, kunyari that is set A. A complement meaning not set A. Okay, so in here, complement can be A raised to C. Pwede rin yung A, pwede rin ito, A prime, or pwede rin yung A bar. Basta lahat yan, or your complement. So, for example, A complement, so this is your set A, not set A. So, all elements which does not belong to set A is the answer. 5 and then 6. Kasama rin yung nasa labas, of course. A complement, yung nasa labas ng set A. So, the answers are 5 and then 6. Ma'am, paano kapag B complement naman? So, pag B complement, not set B, the answers would be 1, 2, and then 6. Ganun lang. Okay? Next, let's have your difference. Pag sinabi mong difference, parang ano yung maiiwan dun sa primary set? Okay? Or your leading set. Okay, so in here, A minus B, aalisin mo daw si set B, ano yung naiwan kay set A? That's the meaning of difference. So, for example, let's have number 5. A minus B. Yan. So, always check your leading set. So, this one will be removed. So, remove daw natin si set B. What is left in set A would be 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Paano naman, ma'am, kapag B minus A? Pag sinabi mong B minus A, sinong aalisin? Anong set? We have set A. So, we remove set A. What is left in set B is number 5. So, there. That is your set operations. Okay? Yan. Example. Oh, A complement. Yan, yung complement. So, not on top would be yung nasa baba. O, ito naman, intersection. Anong intersection ng nasa taas at nasa baba? Di ba wala? Kasi hindi sila magmi-meet. Therefore, this is an empty set. Empty set or a null set. Okay? You may watch the other videos that I have placed on your canvas. So, para din maano ninyo yung other concepts. Okay? So, we have your here and then you unite it with sa baba, it will become a whole hair. Okay? Yan. Ito na ang mahirap. So, let's try your 3 subsets. Kanina, 2 subsets lang. Okay lang. So, in here, paano naman tong 3 na subsets na ito? Okay, let's try. Okay, let's start with your number 1. So, what's the instruction here? All you have to do is to enumerate or write the elements which belongs to that particular set. So set A, what are the elements under set A? The answers would be what? 4, 1, 3, 9, 6, 2, and then 10. Itin ko, set A. The answers are 10, 2, 6, 1, 3, 9, 4. Okay? Kasi ito yung buong set A. Next, set B. Yan ang buong set B. Therefore, the answers are 4, 1, 9, 3, 14, 15, and then 13. Okay? Next, A complement. What are the elements under A complement? Not set A. Hindi daw itong set A. What are the answers? 5, 7, 8, 12, 11, 12, 14, 15, 13. Okay, that is number 3. Ulitin ko, it's 5, 7, 8, 11, 12, 14, 15, 13. Paano naman kapag B complement? Not set B, hindi daw set B. So, the answers are 10, 2, 6, 11, 12, 5, 7, and 8. Oh, not set C, number 5. Not set C, we have 10, 4, 13, 5, 7, 8. There. So, next tayo, number 6, C minus A. C minus A, alisin daw C, set A, anong naiwan kay set C? Ganun ang meaning niya. Okay, so alisin mo daw si set A, anong naiwan kay set C? We have 11, 12, 14, and 15. Yes, kasali ito kasi set C pa rin ito. Ulitin ko, it's 11, 12, 14, and 15. That's the answer of number 6. Number 7. So, B minus C, alisin mo daw si set B. Anong naiwan kay set C? Alisin mo daw si set C. Number 7 tayo pala. B minus C, alisin mo si set C. Anong naiwan kay set B? We have 4 and then 13. Number 7, 4, and 13 only. Next, number 8. So, for number 8, A minus B, alisin mo daw si set B. Anong naiwan kay set A? Alisin mo daw si set B. Anong naiwan kay set A? We have 10, 2, and then 6. Ganun lang. Okay? Next, number 9. A union B. Union, you're going to combine. So, combine all elements of set A and then set B. What are the answers? We have 10, 2, 6, 1, 3, 9, 4, 14, 15, 13. That is A union B. A union C. Sorry, B union C. So, B union C. So, haba, diba? So, the answers are 2, 6, 1, 3, 9, 14, 15, 11, 12, and then 13. And 4, kung hindi ko pa na-mention. Okay? So, those are your B union C. Next, A intersection C. What are the elements under the common elements of A and C? This is your A, and then this is your C. So, ano yung common nila? answers are 2, 6, 1, 3, 9. 2, 6, 1, 3, 9. Okay, so next, B intersection C. B intersection C. So B and then C. So we have 1, 9, 3, 14, and then 15. 1, 3, 9, 14, and 15 is the answer to number 12. Number 13. So, kung may mga multiple na elements or multiple na operations just like this, okay, all you have to do is to do the ones inside the parentheses first. Okay, o lista natin. Ay, wag na. So, start tayo. B union C muna. This is B union C. Kaso, complement. So, not B union C. Yun yung meaning nun eh. Kasi nga complement. So, the answers are 10, 5, 7, 8. B union C. Kaso may complement sa labas. So, not B union C. Answers, we have 10, 5, and then 7, 8. Okay? Dito naman. So, A intersection B. Asan ba ang A intersection B? Diba ito? Kaso, may complement doon. Therefore, not this one, hindi daw ito. The answers are 10, 2, 6, 11, 12, 14, 15, 13, 5, 7, 8. Haba. Ulitin ko. Number 14, 10, 2, 6, 11, 12, 14, 15, 13, 5, 7, 8. Bakit? Kasi may complement sa labas. O, next, dito. A union B. Ito ang A union B. I-intersect mo dyan siya sa set C. Ano ba yung common ng ito? Diba itong region na to? So, the answer for number 15, A union B, you intersect it with set C. Okay, the answers would be 2, 6, 1, 3, 9, 14, and 15. Here. Next, A intersection B intersection C. So, the intersection of the three circles, it is 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. So, those are your answers for that slide. Okay. So, in here, yan, you try this one on your own. So, all you have to do is to shade the corresponding region. Okay. So, for this, you may refer this one on the videos. Pero parang ganun lang din. Parang ganun lang din yung sagot dito. Okay? So, in here, meron nga lang siyang elements. Dito naman, wala kayong ilalagay. So, what particular region? Kunyari, let's do number 1. So, for number 1, it says there, we need to shade A, union B, union C. So, this is your set A, set B, set C. Then, you use your rectangle. This is your universal set. This is set A, set B, set C. Where will you get your answers if you're going to combine A, B, and C? Diba? Yung buong circle. Yan. Yung buong yan. Lahat yan except the ones outside. So, that is the shaded part of your A union B union C. Ito naman tayo sa number 2. Okay? So, second example, second problem, I think. Sorry. Second problem. So, it says there, we need to find for A union B, you intersect it with your set C. So, A union B, what's the intersection to set C? Yan. So, that is the shaded region for number 2. Okay? Next, let's have number 3. So, for number 3, it is A complement intersection B. So, you only have 2 sets here. Set A and then set B. This is set A, this is set B. Sabi doon, A complement. So, not set A. Not set A, so lahat-lahat outside except set A, i-intersect mo daw siya sa set B. Therefore, the shaded portion is just this. Yan. Okay, so that's number 3. Next, number 4. Oops. Number 4, it is H intersection G complement intersection W. Okay. So in here, this is H, G, and then your W. So H intersection G, this portion, pero not. So except this portion, i-intersect mo daw siya sa, saan? Sa set W. Therefore, this is your answer. Yan. There. So that is number 4. Number 5. Number 5, it is F intersection E. Okay, union D. So this is F, E, and then D. F intersection D, union D. So this one, and then this. So yung buong yan. Plus this one. So that is the answer for number 5. Next, let's have your number 6. So number 6, it is X complement intersection Y. Number 6, this is X complement intersection Y union Z. Okay, so in here, always start with the ones inside your parentheses. Ito. This is X, Y, and then Z. This is your X complement, not, and then you intersect it with set Y. Ito yun. Tapos unite it with set Z. So the answer would be this. So yung buong yan, plus your set Z. Kasi yun. So all except this. Yan, part. Next, number 7. So for number 7, it is K union L complement intersection D. K union L complement. K, L, D. K union L complement, not daw. So outside. Then you're going to intersect it with the set D. Ayan. So ito lang. Yan. Dito lang na portion. Yan. So itong buong to. That is your number 7. Itong pinakabongga, number 8. So number 8 tayo. 8, we have K union L complement minus D intersection K. Ito, medyo mahirap. In here, 3 sets lang to. Set K dito, magkaparehas. Baka mamaya pati surat yun. We have, kasi nga diba, no repetition, K, L, and then D. Okay. Dito muna, L complement, not L. You're going to intersect with your set K. Ito. So, lahat ng nasa outside. Sorry, you're going to unite it with your set K. Yan. Lahat yan except ito. Yun yung una. Okay? So, ulitin ko. Lahat yan. Hanggang dito. Yan. Hanggang dyan. Tapos, isusubtract mo siya sa D union Asan ba ang D union K? Itong region na to. Ito. Pag inalis mo daw to, ano yung maiiwan? Okay? So, ang maiiwan, except ito, kasi iba nung una. Saglit. Diba ito? K. This is L complement. So, not. Lahat nasa outside. Tapos, i-union mo sa K. Ito pa rin. Kasama ito. Ngayon, alisin mo daw si D union K. Yan. Alisin mo daw ito. So, anong maiiwan? Lahat except ito. Medyo nahihirapan kayo. So, kunyari, ganito na lang. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what's the answer here? K union L complement. So, the answers would be what? 6, 2, 3, 1. 6, 2, 3, 1. Okay. 6, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 8. Yan. Except 4. So, lahat. So, it should be 6, 2, 3, 1, 5, 8. Lagay ko na lang si 8 dito. Yan yung una. So, yung pangalawa, isusubtract mo daw siya sa D intersection K. Ano bang D intersection K? Ito. So, we have 1 and then 3. Now, you try to remove the common elements. Okay, so in here, ang aalisin natin, we have here 3, 1, 4, 7. So, ang isi-shade lang natin, ito. Yan. Yan. Pati yung outside. Yan. Pasensyaan nyo na, hindi ako arts major. So, except the regions, kasama ito ha, except the regions 3, 1, 4, 7, except itong, yan. So, that's number 8. Oh, last slide. So, we have your cardinality. So, in here, all you have to do is to look for the cardinality of this set. Kasi may n. Kapag may n dito, cardinality, check the videos that I have uploaded also on your canvas. So, we have G union H dito daw. So, the cardinality of set G, so the cardinality of set G is equal to 20. In here, we have two sets, G, H, G, H. So, this one daw should be 20. And the cardinality of your H should be 30. And the cardinality of your G intersection H should be 5. Now, you need to find for your G union H. Okay? So, kung ganito, always start with your intersection. 5. Since may 5 ka na dito, you deduct it to 20. 20 minus 5, you have your 15 here. Okay? So, in here, 30 ito. So, you'll have 25. Yan. Saan ko nakuha ulit yon? Always start with the given intersection, deduct it to the total cardinality of the set. Okay, so let's answer the problem. What is the cardinality of G union H? All you have to do is to add 15 plus 5 plus 25. So we have 45. So that is the cardinality of that letter A. O letter B. Kaya nyo na yan. So for letter B, try to solve it on your own. Okay? So that's it for this video, and I hope you try to refer with the other videos that I had uploaded on your canvas. Okay, thank you.